This fantastic American fridge freezer from Samsung is the perfect choice for households who want a super stylish model with amazing technology to keep food fresh. It has an A+ energy rating with a combined capacity of 495 litres. This means it can hold 27 bags of food shopping. And thanks to its multi-door design, you'll have more flexibility when it comes to arranging your groceries. Samsung's MultiFlow feature ensures the temperature is even throughout the fridge. By continuously moving chilled air around the cabinet, your food will stay fresher for longer and evenly chilled whichever shelf you place it on. The water and ice dispenser gives you chilled water and cubed or crushed ice on tap. The fridge freezer connects to your water supply to give you a constant source without having to manually fill a tank inside. So, you can easily top up your drinks with ice or help yourself to fresh cold water. If you're looking for a stylish model with fantastic technology to keep food fresh, this Samsung American fridge freezer is the perfect choice.